In these very short videos on birds of Goa, I'll be introducing some of the vast variety of birds found in Goa, one bird species at a time. The bird photos used in these videos were clicked by me within Goa. The recorded number of bird species found in India is 1364, and for Goa the number is 483. This is 35% of the total number of bird species found in India. This is a huge number of species variety for a tiny state like Goa, which also happens to be the smallest state of India with area of just 3,172 square kilometers. This photo was clicked near Dodamarg on Goa-Maharashtra border. This bird is known as black-shouldered kite or black-winged kite. In Marathi it is called Kapshi Ghar, and in Hindi it is called Kale Pankhwali Patang. This beautiful kite is often found perched on electric power distribution lines running across open fields. Its food is grasshoppers, crickets, and other big insects. This bird also preys on rodents, small snakes, and frogs. February to August is this kite's breeding season.